I'm about to start cooking right now. And I just want to wash my tomatoes and chop them up in my food processor. I don't think I have tin tomatoes. Probably will be using them for fresh tomatoes. Not my hair. I want to make it, but I don't have the time. And I've been wearing wigs since morning. At this point, I'm feeling headache, so I don't want to wear it.
She's actually feeling lazy to go and make the hair. I've told her many times, go make your hair. Even I haven't told her, go and get yourself some massage, you know, make your nails. But you know, for this woman to carry herself out of the house, it's an issue. But no problem. We move.
I've been busy now.
We move.
I've been busy.
We move. Go make your hair. You know, go and have them massage you. You know.
To be honest, I need that massage. Like,
see, I've been saying it for a very long time.
I need that massage like tomorrow. Like yesterday.
Now she's washing the tomatoes. Oh, this is not the GMO one. So.
It's God that will save all of us.
Now God, they save the children. I don't like you.
Because at this point now, you can't even be patient.
Even the one they are saying is organic. How are you sure? They will not label it organic. May God have mercy on us.
Nothing, just anyone that your instinct tells you that, oh, this one, no, okay, you leave it. Instinct tell you that, okay, this one is okay.
What if your instinct is not trained? I mean, what if your instinct is not trained to know what is right and wrong? That means your instinct will lead you astray. You see the problem? At this moment, at the end of the day, forget instinct. The Holy Ghost, they help person. All right.
I've been stalling this cooking for a while. Energy. So I'll just cut it off like this.
Camera now.
You need to master that camera. It's not difficult.
It's stylishly giving me some issues, but no problem. We'll move. Yeah, let's show the face of the one doing the slicing. Guys, you see my beautiful wife. It's not easy to marry beautiful wife.
At all.
I don't like you. Beautiful ones. Now few people they married them. If you join me, marry beautiful wife, I congratulate you. You know what I'm saying? Because what person go eat, you go first use eye to eat her now. Before you go put her format.
Don't mean it.
Not true, they tell you. I know say beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. What if the beholder get eye problem? What then do you do? And what do you think? If the beholder, has an eye problem or eyes problem, it's not red now. It's not beholding anything.
You don't go see anything to do.
You know the behold nothing. It's not the same. We move.
We thank the Lord.
Yeah, we thank the Lord. So let's see how you want to blend that one, right?
Yeah. It's processing, not blending actually.
Oh, processing. Don't mind me. Actually, mind me. The thing is, English people always say that processing. How are they sure that it's processing? Yes, I think the stuff is processed. So nice. It makes life easy though.
Yeah, very easy.
I remember those days growing up. We use a mortar and pestle. And there's this one you roll with your hand on a stone.
The stone grinder.
My God, I did that a lot. My mom would always call me. Challenge one beer with the tomato. Gak warrior. I go wash. First of all, you wash the stone. Then you wash the tomato.
As a good boy now.
Mm.
Now gonna mommy use.
And what if I'm just telling you a lie?
I will take that because anything you tell me, I have to take it away.
But you've seen me and my mom now. You will know if I'm telling a lie or not.
Of course.
Yeah. So I'm just saying that
You are a mother's son.
so many people they lie.
Linus.
This is onions. Wow. See my wife doing the cutting. You see how fingers? No, that man.
70 years old man. Even my own. I'm from talking.
But I'm going to take your bum a little bit now.
Don't have mercy upon us.
And can you see my wife? You see shape? See shape?
My big belly.
Forget big belly.
My big tummy.
You don't born for easy. Anybody will say easy. May go try.
May run out.
May run out.
In focus voice, we thank the Lord.
Yeah, we thank the Lord. Guys, have you seen anyone using scissors to chop veggies? Now you are seeing
This man,
scissors. It makes it easy.
Hype
Slice. Just slice it. That year we used to use knife, arrange them, put them on a chopping board and begin to slice. But this makes it easy. This is a green onions, right?
aka spring onions.
Oh, spring onions. Okay. Why did they call it spring?
My brother, you ask me now, who I want to go ask?
No, I'm just
I
saying.
don't know though, but I think it's worth finding out.
All these English people they lie on.
Habanero.
Oh, habanero.
Yes.
Habanero pepe.
Habanero pepe.
Okay.
Dope.
They are all gonna be blended, right?
Sure.
Or processed.
Processed. Don't mind me. Still blended. But in a coarse way, not in a sweet way, like
Tomato.
like blender. Hold on. In my baby's voice.
Lolo alive.
Yeah.
Let's see the outcome. So cool. So cool, guys. Can you see?
This is what does the job.
Makes it so easy. Cooking becomes easy.
Very easy.
But the only problem that I think they have not discovered, you stand to cook. They have not discovered
See,
what
whoever
to do.
invented that cooking without chair,
It's not good though.
that person needs
You
to be
cook
flogged.
for hours.
Bring Oraimo cord like this.
Standing. For what now?
Flog him. Flog him very well, because how can someone stand for hours?
Cooking.
Hours. Cooking, no sitting.
Before you finish cooking, you would have lost the energy you would have derived from the food. Then let's zoom the body. You see the body. But the body is inclusive
Why are you saying Bobby?
in what you have to zoom.
You're not supposed to be zooming. You're supposed to be just
You have to zoom the body now.
videoing things, not Bobby. That's how 9 days.
I show they okay now. This is coconut oil, guys.
I'm going to be putting this chicken that I boiled. I did not want to use chicken before, but I had this remaining chicken from the chicken I used to buy the world in. So I decided to just add it. I'm going to fry it. Guys, I hate frying chicken. What is oil plastic? Okay. I'll let that fry. So guys, I didn't want to use chicken to cook this with. I just wanted to use prawns and minced beef. But when I opened my freezer, I saw this chicken that I bought a while ago. I decided to just add it. I will shred it. I will shred it into the pasta. So this is just a few pieces of chicken. Let's put in the tomato. Ooh. Ooh. I don't like what I hate. Don't want all these will splash up. Oh, I don't want that. I don't want it. I just don't want it. Let me reduce the heat. I don't like the heat is much self. Because I don't remember the last time I made pasta. Like it's been a very long time I made pasta. Consciously avoided it for a while. But I still have the one that I bought last time left. So let me make it for now. Pending next time, I'll be willing to buy another one to make. While the stew is cooking, let me prepare these prawns. There is come. Okay guys, so now I want to cook the minced beef.
Speaking words of comfort as they drift on by. You never worry down and fear is still
Thyme, black pepper, garlic, ginger, seasoning cube. Almost ready. So I'm going to be adding the prawns right now into the meat. Let's spice up this. So I'm putting garlic, some more garlic, black pepper, thyme. So this is a spaghetti bolognese herb blend. It has a mix of everything. Salt. It's a baby. So I'm gonna be adding some seasoning cubes. Some fresh pepper. Spring onions. This is ready. The minced beef and the prawns already. So I'm boiling hot water for the spaghetti. This is the pasta that I'll be using, Barilla. So I'm going to add salt to the water. Oil, using olive oil. So I'm going to let this boil before adding the spaghetti. So back to the sauce, this is what we have here. I've been frying this for quite some time now. I want to remove the sourness and the tanginess in it. So that's why I'm cooking it for a while. And I did not add any sweet tomatoes. So let's see how the color will turn out. I know it won't be Color might not be that appetizing for limo. Adding some water. I'll be adding some coconut milk, just a little. Not the splashing, no, I don't want this splash. Now I'll be adding the minced beef and the prawn. I don't know, I always call this the prawn or shrimp. Mostly shrimp. Is there any difference, you guys? I doubt. Adding the chicken broth. So let's give it a nice stir. Very nice stir. I've already reduced the heat. So we're going to let this just be cooking on a very low heat. Let's test and see if we're going to make adjustments. This is really yummy. I'm going to add a little more salt. But by the time I put spaghetti, I'm giving some more salt. So this is what we have here. So I'll just leave it to keep simmering here. So now the water is boiling. I'm going to be adding the spaghetti.
The color of
Okay guys, so this is what we have. This one has cooked for about maybe 7 minutes or 8 now, or more than that. I'm just going to pour the water out, then start mixing it into the sauce. I'm going to put it. Alright guys, I'm going to be adding the shredded chicken that I fried earlier. So I'll add that. I'm going to stir that into the sauce. I'm going to be adding the pasta now, the sauce. Ooh. Let's mix. I don't think this is the right spoon for this, but let's see what it's going to be. I didn't put anything tomatoes to this. The color might not actually burst, but then the taste is going to be really amazing. I'm trying to mix everything, bring all the sauce up, make sure it mixes well into the spaghetti and give it the desired flavor and taste. This is almost done. I ended up not using the water because I mean this is enough. I think I don't need any water as it is. The sauce was moderate enough to be enough for this spaghetti, and I can tell you that this spaghetti is bursting with flavor, guys. Bursting with flavors. Oh my god, so yummy. So yummy. I'm turning up the heat. I'll be adding some spring onions to this. I'll also be adding some cheese. This is it, guys. All done. In my front voice, all done. Alright guys, this is the masterpiece that I created at the momento. This is it. Looks so yummy, so nice.